Hey guys, it's Crazy Owen here, and today I'm going to be making macaroons. So before we start, I want to give a really good shout out to Bradley. He's my friend. He commented #Owen, and then there's some funny thing that Vinh did. I know you're out there. And he did #Almond YT. Come on. So today we are going to be making macaroons. So what you're gonna start with is some almond powder, some powdered sugar, regular sugar, and 3 eggs. So we have the egg whites here. We use that with the 3 eggs. And we have to separate from the yolks and the egg white. We're only gonna use the egg white. So the yolks is nothing, or if you can use it for a different thing, like if you're making another dessert like a flan, use that. So my dad had to do the egg whites, most of it, well, all of it, but one of the eggs sorta had a mistake, and you'll see it in the outtakes when I'm trying to crack an egg. And now we're gonna grab the sugar. I hope I don't make a mistake. So grab 1/4 cup. So we're gonna grab 1/4 cup. Use my hand like that. Flatten it out. So it looks like this. And put it into one bowl. So it looks like that. Next, we have the powdered sugar. You want to get 2/3 and 1 cup. So in this bowl, we're gonna put the 1/3 in here, and then the 1 cup in here, like that. And then get another scoop of sugar. And we grab powdered sugar here, and then we grab the other 1/3 like that, and then we'll move on to the next step. So the next ingredient is 1 cup of almond powder. My dad got it right here. Now let's put it into this bowl. Looks like nutmeg. It's a lemon powder version. Now we'll move on to our next stage. So here we have silicone sheets, where you can get rubber circles right here, where you could get perfect circles with this template from Silicon Valley. You get what I did there? Of course you don't. So now we're gonna be whisking. This is how you use it. Wait. I look like a killer when I do that, so I won't be doing that anymore. But I'm gonna use it. So you grab your egg whites right here, and then you pour it into a glass bowl because I want it to look pretty. My dad wants it to look pretty. Grab the egg whites, put in that bowl, and then you grab this, and we want the egg whites to look nice and white and cloudy. Put this in. So, this is what your egg whites are supposed to look like. If it doesn't look cloudy like this, then it means like you might have missed a step or there's something wrong with your egg. And then we're gonna grab our sugar and then dump it inside here, like that. And then we put the thing down and then we whisk it again. So you want your egg whites and sugar to look like this. When it looks peaky like this, like it looks like a mountain, or when it kind of looks like whipped cream, like this. And yeah, we'll move on to the next step. Now we're gonna sift almond powder and powdered sugar. So first, you're gonna put the almond powder in here. Remember, do not miss this step. You gotta put it one at a time. And just like tap it. until you could see all the powder down here. Do this. Till you see these like you could see like balls, like looking like that. Or like craters. And we're gonna move on to powdered sugar. Now we're gonna sift the powdered sugar. Just do the same thing with the almond powder. Just dump it all in there. And then pick it up and then shake like this. And if you look below, it looks like it's snowing at the beach. And now you're gonna grab your powder and then dump it in here, all of it. And about to fold it about 30 times. So we folded about 30 times and we added food coloring, and now we just gotta get the piping bag. So now you wanna pipe the macaroon tops, and what you wanna do is go in a circle motion, like this. I'm doing a horrible job. Just do there. And then do the other one. Circle motion. So now when your macaroons have been sitting for about an hour, like this, the top should feel a little bit crusty, like this. Like if you just tap it, no marks are gonna show. And then after that, there should you wait for the oven to cool down or heat up. Sorry. And then after it's heating up for about like 5 to 10 minutes, put these in. So you put the macaroons in the oven, and then there it is. I chose the color blue. And this should be 285 degrees for about 10 minutes. And let's close the oven. So now we let the macaroon cookies cook for about 285 degrees with 10 minutes. Let's see how they look. Woo, it's hot. But let's check it out. Wow, look at that. So about the cookie, you want it to have like little ruffles around it. And you don't want the top to be brown. Not like that one with the brown top. Don't cook any of them like that. Cook stuff that looks like this, this, and this. Not that. Only these four. Only those except for that. So now while we're waiting for the cookies to cool, we're going to use 1 soft stick of butter, some vanilla extract of 1/2 teaspoon, and some powdered sugar, which is 2/3. I already measured it right here. So then just dump the whole thing in here, like so. And then you grab your butter stick, open it up till it looks nice and creamy, just like this. And then you just dump it like that. And then we use the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you guys haven't been looking at what vanilla extract looks like, it's literally brown, not white. All those kids out there are like, oh, I love vanilla ice cream. It's not white. And now we're gonna mix it up. So now when you're finished mixing the butter, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar, You have to mix it for about 10 minutes. And this isn't a movie mistake. So last time we used this one to like crush the butter stick. And then we used this one to mix it all up. Now when the buttercream filling is all fluffy, when this is all fluffy, we'll move on to piping. Now we got our piping bag, and with this macaroon, these are what it's supposed to look like. So you wanna put a lot on it, like this. So then when you put the cookie on top, it looks good. And let's try it. See how it is. If it's ever somebody's birthday, take these to it. Because they're legit. I can eat these all day. The buttercream filling has a really good texture to it. So if you're ever going on a date or anything, you could take these to your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, and take these to them, and they're like, wow, these are good. Where did you learn it? And it's like, just from Crazy Owen YT. You should check out his channel, by the way. Exactly, you should say. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you really like these macaroons. Bye! Grab your egg, crack it like that, and then you gotta like, I think we're gonna have to cut that.